In a complex and controversial legal battle unfolding in Singapore, former Progress Singapore Party member Martin Piper has launched a civil lawsuit against the Singapore Kindness Movement, SKM. The lawsuit centers around allegations that SKM violated the Personal Data Protection Act, PDPA, by sharing Mr. Piper's personal information with a woman he had previously lodged a complaint against. Mr. Piper, 51, had initially reached out to SKM on August 27, 2022, accusing Carol Loy Pui Wan, a co-founder of SG Families, a community initiative affiliated with SKM, of engaging in discriminatory conduct. According to Mr. Piper, Ms. Loy was involved in managing a Telegram chat group that propagated transphobic and anti-LGBT content, sparking his concerns. In response to his complaint, Karun Sparan, head of strategic marketing and communications at SKM, replied to Mr. Piper on September 1, 2022. Mr. Karun conveyed Ms. Loy's clarification that she was neither the owner nor the founder of the Telegram chat group in question. She claimed that her participation in the group was strictly in her personal capacity as a concerned citizen. However, the situation escalated on September 7, 2022, when Mr. Karun included Ms. Loy in an email thread that contained Mr. Piper's full name and email address. This action, which was done without Mr. Piper's consent, has now become the crux of the legal dispute. Mr. Piper's lawyers argue that SKM's decision to disclose his personal details to Ms. Loy without his approval constituted a clear breach of the PDPA. The implications of this disclosure were severe. On or around September 5, 2022, Ms. Loy filed an action against Mr. Piper under the Protection from Harassment Act, POHA, alleging that he had harassed her. The situation further intensified when Ms. Loy reportedly posted a Facebook album containing screenshots, photos, and detailed comments about her POHA claim process. This album identified Mr. Piper as the respondent, leading to him receiving death threats from unknown sources. As a result of these developments, Mr. Piper experienced significant emotional distress and incurred considerable expenses in defending himself against the harassment claim. Although Ms. Loy eventually withdrew the POHA claim on May 24, 2023, the damage had already been done. Mr. Piper is now seeking compensation from SKM for the costs and damages he suffered, though the specific amounts he is demanding have not been disclosed. In its defense, SKM has dismissed Mr. Piper's case as unmeritorious, denying any violation of PDPA regulations. The organization asserts that it acted as a neutral party, facilitating communication between Mr. Piper and Ms. Loy to address his concerns. SKM also emphasized that Mr. Piper voluntarily provided his personal data, implying consent for its use in the investigation and mediation process. Furthermore, SKM noted that Mr. Piper did not request confidentiality or anonymity for his data during this process. As the trial continues, the outcome remains uncertain, but the case raises important questions about the handling of personal data and the responsibilities of organizations in protecting the privacy of individuals. What are your thoughts on this situation? Do you believe SKM acted appropriately, or should they be held accountable for disclosing Mr. Piper's personal information? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 2230 for more in-depth news coverage and discussions on the issues that matter most.